At the heart of almost every big galaxy sits a monster. It is not a creature with teeth and claws. It is a supermassive black hole, and these things are huge. They are millions or even billions of times more massive than our sun. They have so much pull that not even light can escape, which is why they are called black holes. We can't see them directly, but we see how they affect things around them. This is the way we know they are there. Let us take a look into these powerful giants. A question scientists are still trying to answer is how supermassive black holes get as big as they are. One idea is they grow by eating gas and dust. That is, they suck in anything that gets too close. Another possibility is that they increase in size by merging with other black holes. When two galaxies collide, their respective black holes may combine to form a larger black hole. This merging process would occur over an extended period, spanning millions of years. Black holes significantly influence their host galaxies. They can alter the appearance of galaxies. As gas falls into a black hole, it becomes heated and generates substantial energy. This energy can expel gas from the galaxy, actively hindering star formation. It can also cause the galaxy to shine brightly, emitting a large amount of light and other materials. This phenomenon leads to the formation of what are known as active galaxies. Researchers employ various instruments to investigate supermassive black holes, with telescopes being essential. Some telescopes focus on visible light, while others detect radio waves or X-rays. These tools allow us to observe different phenomena surrounding black holes. For instance, certain telescopes are capable of observing the hot gas that spirals around a black hole, forming a disk. This disk, referred to as an accretion disk, emits light. By measuring this light, we can gain insights into the black hole size and rotation. A method for locating a black hole involves observing the stars close to the center of a galaxy. When these stars exhibit rapid movement, it indicates that a significant mass is exerting a gravitational pull on them. This often points to the presence of a black hole, and by analyzing the star's velocities, we can estimate the black hole's mass. This technique successfully identified the black hole at the center of our galaxy, known as Sagittarius A star. It has a mass approximately 4 million times that of the Sun. Black holes are strange objects because they bend space and time. Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity helps us understand black holes because it tells us how gravity works. It tells us how massive objects bend space and time. Black holes are places where gravity is very strong that studying them helps us test Einstein's theory. It helps us to understand the universe better. In conclusion, understanding supermassive black holes is crucial. They significantly influence galaxies and are key to our comprehension of gravity, prompting ongoing research by scientists, utilizing innovative tools and concepts. They aim to unravel the mystery of how these massive entities and their impact on the universe. As our knowledge expands, we gain deeper insights into our position within the cosmos. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, please help support this channel. See the description for details.